As I was a-walking one morning in spring, I met with some travellers on an old country lane. One was an old man, the second a maid, the third was a young boy who smiled as he said, "With the wind in the willows and the birds in the sky, there's a bright sun to warm us wherever we lie. We have bread and fishes and a jug of red wine to share on our journey with all of mankind." So I asked them to tell me their name and their race, so I could remember each smile on their face. Our names, they mean nothing, they change throughout time, so come sit beside us and share in our wine. With the wind in the willows and the birds in the sky, there's a bright sun to warm us wherever we lie. We have bread and fishes and a jug of red wine to share on our journey with all of mankind. So I sat down beside them with flowers all around. We ate on a mantle spread out on the ground. They told me of prophets and people and kings, and all of the one God who knows everything. We're travelling to Glaston over England's green lanes to hear of men's troubles, to hear of their pains. We travel the wide world over land and the sea to tell all the people how they can be free. With the wind in the willows and the birds in the sky, there's a bright sun to warm us wherever we lie. Oh, we have bread and fishes and a jug of red wine to share on our journey with all of mankind. So sadly I left them on that old country lane, and I knew that I never would see them again. One was an old man, the second a maid, and the third was a young boy who smiled as he said, "With the wind in the willows and the birds in the sky, there's a bright sun to warm us wherever we lie. Oh, we have bread and fishes and a jug of red wine to share on our journey with all of mankind. With the wind in the willows and the birds in the sky, there's a bright sun to warm us wherever we lie. Oh, we have bread and fishes and a jug of red wine to share on our journey with all